select.
Oh, not per...
That's it. Now,
Okay.
wonderful. Now let's plant tomato seeds in our patches of land. To do this, pick up the stack of seeds by... Now you need to... And now click on the 8 patches of burdock to dig up the weeds. Your tomatoes will be... The crate is full. We used our own crate, so we'll need to buy more. Click on the Supplies tab in the menu at the bottom of the screen, then click on the picture. The farm is in business. Now you need to sell a crate of tomatoes. Now that everything is running smoothly, Robert, I'm sure you won't have any problem selling them in the future.
Wonderful. I finally...
Now, Robert?
Ginger, I don't know...